Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will see total returned amount by customers. Okay, so here you can see this is our orders table and there is customers and this is our returns table. So what is the link between them? What is the relationship between them? Let's see. Here you can see, here you can see the returns and the orders table. The relation is order ID. Suppose there are 100 of order ID, 100 order IDs in the order table. Among those order IDs, there is some orders which are being returned. They generate some order IDs which are being returned. So suppose there are 10 order IDs among 100 are being returned. So we want to know the customers from the orders table. What is the total amount of orders they return? Okay, what is the total amount of orders they return? So here you can see, here you can see, uh, I have created a table called total returned amount. Okay, so here you can see, let's see from here. Let's see from here. So sumx distinct order ID. So we know that there is two different tables. Okay, two different tables. One is orders, another is returns. So what is sumx doing? Sumx is going row by row. You know that sumx goes row by row. Okay. Sumx is going row by row of the returns table and it is going order IDs, row by row order IDs. So whenever it is getting such the order IDs which are being matched with orders of order IDs. Okay. If there is 10 order IDs which are being returned among 100 of order IDs, when sumx is getting all those 10 order IDs, it is calculating the sales of the orders of among those 10 order IDs. Okay, it is calculating the sales of those returned 10 order IDs among 100. Okay, then when it is calculating, after calculating, it is summarizing the but then it is going to this portion. Okay, then it is going to this portion. So what summarize is doing? Summarize is just summarize what summarize is doing. Summarize is summarize a table. Okay, summarize just it, what it does. It summarize tables. So what kind of table it is generating? It is a table actually. Okay, I have created a table. What kind of table it is generating? It is generating with customer name from order IDs and I am creating another column name called total returned amount. Total returned amount. I am creating another column called total returned amount after generating the total amount of returned IDs, sales of returned IDs. It is going to this question and creating the total amount of returns with according to the customer name. According to the customer name from order IDs. Okay, then it is generating a total table. Okay. Uh, if we see the table, if we look at the table, uh, this is the table. Here you can see there is customer name and it is total returned amount. Here you can see some customers have not returned anything. Okay, some customers have not returned anything. But from here customers return something. Okay, this is the total amount they return. Okay, some customers return, some customers did not return. So I think you got my point. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like it. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel. Share it among your friends. Okay, help them to get into Power BI, and please support to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.